Hey guys, today we're gonna be playing some Will You Press the Button. So let's get started. EA will begin to making better games that everyone will enjoy. Ooh, that's pretty good. But they will not remake or continue any previous game that they have published or made. No. Because if they stop making, I think that means like they'd stop making popular titles like FIFA, like they have to make a new series and they cannot redo that series or something. That's just what I think that they're talking about. Okay, so let's go to the next one. Will you press the button? You be the most popular person in your town, but the only social network you could use would be Google Plus. No, because what, Google Plus? No, dude. No. Okay, will you press the button? You can create the greatest video game of all time, but it's on the 2DS. Oh, no. Well, it could be on the 2DS XL, sure. 2DS XL. You can't know this. It could be on 2DS XL. They never said that it can't be a different one. Okay, cool. Please let me stop. Please, I don't wanna play this anymore. Wait, what the heck? Okay. So 71 people have pressed the button. Well, it's 29% not. Looks like I went through a pretty good deal. You get worshipped as the incarnation of SSDD. What? But it's because you're mutated to have 6 pairs of arms. No. That's just the stupidest, crappiest, dumbest, retardest thing ever. Cool, Google. Don't give a frick, dude. I don't care if that's gonna be that temperature tomorrow. When you press the button, you'll be able to master any language of your choice, but you'll have to move to the country where that language was spoken. Well, I'll just do English then. No, I don't really want to. Ooh, will you press the button? You have a box that can travel through time and space, but everyone you travel with eventually will come by some misfortune that will either prevent them from ever seeing you again or we kill them. No. It's like, quit putting no, you stupid dummy. Quit it. Okay, so you can communicate with telepathically with all living creatures, but you become vegan and could never eat animal meat or animal byproducts again. No. Oh, I don't want to do that. Oh my gosh, enough with the ads already. Thank gosh. Come on. Well, you press the button. Know everyone in the universe, but have no one to share it with. No, it's no. Well, I don't really know. It's just like if you could do something like 20,000 backflips, literally like non-stop, like in the air, do 20,000, and then you cannot tell anybody or do it in front of them. What's the freaking point, man? Like, well, you can record on a YouTube video and publish it to YouTube. Like, how are you gonna get people to watch it? Okay, well, you press the button. You can read people's minds, but you can't turn it off. Ooh. No. Because if you could read through you could see through people's you could see, then you can never turn that off. Like you just turn it off. If you can't do that, then what's the point, man? You're just gonna be seeing people's thoughts all the day, every day, non-stop, rest of your life. You will gain are so good every time you press the button. But however, the person closest to you will gain £1 and will never be able to lose it. No, because I wouldn't want to be that way to a person. Okay. When you press the button, you get to go any woman or man in the world, but never your true love. Oh no. Well, yeah, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and peace. Bye, guys. Next video. Bye.